You may have seen headlines about a possible US travel ban in 2025, and you're wondering, will this affect me, my visa, my ability to cross the border? Hi, I'm Mena, the Pink Attorney, here with Maimone Legal, and today we're breaking down what the latest travel restrictions really mean, especially for Canadians, visa holders, and immigrants planning to move to the US. As of June 2025, the US has not issued a nationwide or categorical travel ban. However, we're seeing a series of targeted immigration enforcement measures, many of which are already affecting visa applications and international travelers. Here's what's changed. Increased border scrutiny, more secondary inspections, especially at major airports and land borders. Country-specific restrictions. Certain regions are under review for possible visa policy changes, including new screening procedures or consular slowdowns. Enhanced vetting under executive policy memos. These policies focus on applicants from regions flagged for security concerns or diplomatic tensions. Processing delays at U.S. embassies and consulates worldwide, especially for high-demand visa categories like H-1B, B-1, B-2, and F-1. This isn't a sweeping ban, but if you're in one of the affected groups, it can feel like one. Now let's talk about who is being impacted. If you're in any of these categories, pay close attention. 1. Nationals from high-risk or sanctioned countries. These may include countries under OFAC sanctions such as Iran, Syria, North Korea, and parts of Russia, or those with recent security incidents. Applicants from these regions face higher scrutiny and more delays, even if they're dual citizens of another country. 2. Non-visa waiver national citizens of countries that are not part of the visa waiver program, which includes most of Africa, South Asia, and the Middle East, often face longer visa interview wait times and heightened screening. 3. Dual nationals and third country travelers. Even if you're a Canadian citizen holding dual nationality with a country on a watch list, can complicate your application or border entry. 4. Business and investment visa applicants. People applying for visas like the E2, EB5, L1, or H1B from flagged regions may face additional documentary requirements, administrative processing, or even denial if background or funding sources are questioned. Bottom line, just because you have a strong passport doesn't mean you're immune from delays or restrictions. Most Canadians can still travel freely to the US for both business and tourism. That includes visa-free travel for up to 6 months at a time as visitors, visa exemptions for certain categories like TN, easier access to work and investor visas compared to many other countries. But here's the caveat. Dual citizens, naturalized Canadians, or permanent residents who were born in or have strong ties to high-risk countries can be flagged during U.S. immigration checks. Also, Canadian nationals applying for visas like the E2 or EB5 may face additional delays if their source of funds or business history is linked to a watch-listed country. Whether you're applying for a visa, entering the US, or just planning a cross-border trip, here are concrete ways to stay protected. 1. Apply as early as possible. Visa interview backlogs are still affecting dozens of US embassies. In some countries, wait times exceed 100+ days. 2. Avoid travel to high-risk countries if you've recently visited countries like Iran, Syria, Russia, Venezuela, or parts of the West Bank. Be prepared to explain your travel history. This is especially important while your US visa is pending. 3. Prepare strong documentation for business and investor visas. Clearly document your business intent, source of funds, ownership structure, personal background, and immigration history. 4. Work with a lawyer. Immigration law changes fast. A qualified immigration attorney can help you navigate country-specific risks, respond to administrative processing delays, avoid costly rejections or entry denials. I'm Mena, the Pink Attorney, turning your immigration dreams into reality, one visa at a time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.